Finding clients, partners, or influencers online is one of the most time-consuming things you can do. You open LinkedIn, start scrolling through profiles, then you switch to Google, try a few different searches, then Instagram, then Twitter. An hour later, you've got 30 tabs open, maybe 5 contacts that look promising, and 0 email addresses. And that's just the searching part. You haven't even reached out to anyone yet. There's a tool now that compresses this entire workflow into a single prompt. And today we're going to test it live so you can see exactly what it can and can't do. The tool is called Lessie AI. The concept is straightforward. Instead of jumping between 5 different platforms and manually setting filters on each one, you describe who you're looking for in 1 or 2 sentences in plain English. It doesn't matter if you're a freelancer trying to land higher-paying clients, a startup founder looking for the right investors, a marketing team searching for influencers to run a campaign, or a business owner who just needs to find decision-makers at companies in a specific industry. You write what you need, hit search, and Lessie sends an AI agent across LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, GitHub, and about 15 other platforms simultaneously. It comes back with names, job titles, companies, social media profiles, and in most cases, verified email addresses, all from that one prompt. All right, let me show you how this actually works from the inside. I'll leave the link in the description. You can sign up for free and follow along if you want. When you land on the Lessie AI homepage, you'll see a Start for Free button right in the center. Click that and the sign-up takes about 30 seconds. You can register with your email or just sign in with Google. During registration, there's a field for an invitation code. Use mine and you'll get bonus credits added to your account right away. I'll leave the code in the description. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you'll notice is how clean the interface is. There's no complicated dashboard with dozens of menus. The main screen just says Your People Search AI Agent with a chat box in the center. That's where you type your search. Below the search box, Lessie gives you several ready-made templates that show you the range of what's possible. On the left sidebar, you have your navigation, new chat, your active processes, your email outreach, and your saved contact lists. That's it. Everything else happens through the search prompt. Now let's put this to work with a real scenario. Let's say you're running an AI startup and you need to get the word out. Paid ads are expensive and slow to build trust, but if the right YouTube creator reviews your product in front of an audience that already cares about AI, that's a completely different level of exposure. So here's what I'm going to type. Find English-speaking YouTube creators with over 50,000 subscribers who regularly cover AI news and review new AI tools and platforms, including LLMs, image and video generation, audio and music AI, agentic platforms, autonomous AI agents, and AI coding assistants. I hit find, and right away the Lessie supervisor kicks in. You can see it breaking down my prompt into a structured plan. It identifies exactly what it's going to search for. It lays out 3 steps: analyze the request, search using the search agent, and then summarize the findings. Basically, it's showing you its thinking before it even starts. Now, on the right side, something interesting is already happening. A table is forming with columns for profile, match percentage, AI content, YouTube, English, 50K plus subs, links, email, and demographics, and so on. You can already see creators appearing along with their social links. Some have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and X all connected. The country flags are already visible, so you get a sense of the geographic spread right away. A few seconds later, the list grows significantly. Now we're looking at around 100 candidates that the search agent pulled from the Upfluence database. But here's the important part. These are raw results. They haven't been verified yet. And that's where the next phase begins. The Lessie review agent takes over and starts what it calls deep reasoning. What's happening here is the AI is going through every single one of those 100 profiles and evaluating them against our original criteria. Does this person actually post AI content? Is their channel in English? Do they have over 50,000 subscribers? Are they actively covering the topics we specified? It's not just checking boxes, it's analyzing their actual content to determine relevance. And then the final results come in. The task is marked as completed, and the list is now sorted and scored. At the top, you see fully matched, 52. Meaning out of 100, 52 passed every single criterion. The top results are exactly what you'd want for an AI startup sponsorship campaign. Then you have the 98.64% matches, still incredibly relevant. These are all active English-speaking creators who are covering exactly the kind of AI content we asked for. Now let's say I've found the creators I want to work with. I can click on any profile to get a deeper look before saving them. For example, here's Matt Wolf, one of our 100% matches. When I click on his profile, a detailed panel opens on the right. Right away, I can see his category, artificial intelligence, technology, his location, US, and all his social media links, X, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. But what's really useful here are the 3 tabs: AI Summary, Audience, and Platform. The Audience tab is especially interesting if you're planning a sponsorship deal. It breaks down exactly who's watching this creator. In Matt Wolf's case, 47% of his audience is from the US, about 11% from Canada, and the rest spread across other countries. The age breakdown shows the largest segment is 35 to 54, followed by 25 to 34, which, if you're marketing a B2B AI product, is exactly the demographic you want. The gender split is roughly 70% male, 30% female. This is the kind of data that would normally cost you money on an influencer marketing platform. Scroll down a little again, and you also see platform-specific stats. His TikTok shows followers, average views, average likes, and engagement rate, all in one place. So before you even send a single message, you already know if this creator's audience aligns with your target market. And if I decide this is someone I want to reach out to, I just click Save to my list in the top right corner. I can do this for as many creators as I want. Later, when I go to My List in the sidebar, all my saved contacts are organized there. I can come back to them anytime, check their details again, or start my outreach from there. Now, if you want to take this data outside the platform, maybe into your own CRM, a Google Sheet, or just share it with your team, you hit Export at the top. A pop-up appears showing you exactly what you're exporting: 100 contacts total selected, 59 emails to unlock, and the credits it'll cost. You confirm, and within a few seconds, the file is ready to download. When you open it in Excel, you get a clean spreadsheet with everything laid out: profile name, match score, direct links to their YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and X profiles, their verified email address, demographics, content tags like artificial intelligence, technology, robotics, follower count, average views, and even engagement rate. This is essentially a ready-made sponsorship outreach database that would take days to build manually, exported in one click. Now, here's where it gets really practical. Instead of copying 59 emails into a separate tool, you can send emails directly from Lessie. Click Email Compose at the top, and the first thing it asks is to connect your email. You can type in your address manually or connect through Gmail or Outlook. Once that's set up, the Composer opens with all your discovered contacts already loaded as recipients. In our case, that's 59 people with verified emails all ready to go. You can choose between individual send and group send. Individual means each person gets a separate personalized email, which is what you want for sponsorship outreach. The best part is the AI prompt feature at the bottom. Instead of writing the email yourself, you click the AI Compose button, describe what you want, and Lessie generates the full email for you. For example, I could type something like, "Write a sponsorship outreach email to YouTube creators who cover AI content. We're an AI startup looking for creators to review our product. Mention that we offer paid sponsorship deals and that we selected them because their content aligns with our target audience. Keep it short, professional, and friendly." Hit Generate. Review the draft, make any tweaks you want, and hit Send. 59 personalized sponsorship emails done in under a minute. And here's what the AI generated. The subject line is Sponsorship Opportunity AI Product Review, clean and to the point. The body opens with Hi Name, so each creator gets their own name in the greeting. All 59 emails go out individually, each personalized with the recipient's name. One thing worth mentioning, all the data Lessie AI pulls is publicly available information. Everything it finds is already out there on the internet. It doesn't access or collect any private, sensitive, or confidential data. It just organizes what's already public into something you can actually use. If you want to try Lessie AI yourself, the link is in the description. It's free to sign up. Use my invitation code during registration to get bonus credits so you can run your first search right away. I'll leave the code in the description as well. And I'm curious, if you had access to this tool right now, what's the first search you'd run? Who would you look for? Drop it in the comments, whether it's clients, investors, creators, hiring candidates, whatever it is. Let me know. If this video was useful, hit the like button, share it with someone who spends too much time on manual prospecting, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.